How does the lithium-ion battery work? The power behind today's electric vehicles is the lithium-ion battery system, which is composed of many single lithium-ion battery cells. A lithium-ion battery cell is a type of rechargeable battery that uses lithium ions as the primary component of its electrochemical reaction. There are three basic types of battery cells used in electric vehicles: cylindrical cells, prismatic cells, and pouch cells. Although they are designed in different shapes, they all function similarly. Let's examine a pouch cell. A lithium-ion battery cell is typically constructed with the following components. Cathode. The cathode is a positive electrode made of a lithium metal oxide, such as lithium iron phosphate and nickel manganese cobalt. The cathode is coated onto an aluminum current collector. Anode. The anode is a negative electrode made of graphite or other carbon-based materials that can intercalate lithium ions. The anode is coated onto a copper current collector. Separator. The separator is a thin, porous membrane that prevents the cathode and anode from touching each other while allowing the flow of lithium ions between them. The separator is typically made of a polymer material that is chemically stable and has good mechanical strength. Cell casing. The cell casing is a container that holds the cathode, anode, separator, and electrolyte. The casing for a pouch cell is typically made of an aluminum or polymer composite film and is sealed to prevent leaks. To better understand lithium-ion battery cells, let's delve into their functioning. When a lithium-ion battery cell is charged, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode through the electrolyte. This process is driven by an external power source that applies a voltage to the cell, causing the lithium ions to move from the higher voltage cathode to the lower voltage anode. During discharge, the process is reversed. Lithium ions move from the anode to the cathode, generating a flow of electrons through an external circuit which can be used to power a device. The movement of these ions and electrons produces an electrochemical reaction, which creates a potential difference between the electrodes. The cathode, also called positive electrode, contains high-purity metal oxides that include lithium, while the anode, or the negative electrode, is made of naturally occurring graphite with a layered design. Lithium ions circulate freely within the battery due to the electrolyte, a purified medium with no water content. The electrolyte is a liquid or gel substance that facilitates the movement of lithium ions between the cathode and anode. The electrolyte is typically a lithium salt dissolved in an organic solvent, such as ethylene carbonate or dimethyl carbonate. To prevent a short circuit, a separator made of a microporous material is placed between the two electrodes. It allows the flow of tiny lithium ions while maintaining electrical insulation. When assembled, the current collectors are connected to the positive and negative terminals of the cell casing, allowing for the flow of electrons through an external circuit when the battery is in use. Multiple cells can be connected in series or parallel to form a battery module with a higher voltage and capacity. The electrical energy is finally transformed into mechanical energy by the electric motor, propelling the car forward. The revolution in electric mobility is happening now, and lithium batteries are the essential ingredient to making it a reality.